Well, Iowans of different races are not getting vaccinated at the same rate of Iowans who do specify their race. White people have the highest percentage of being fully vaccinated.
At the low end are American Indians, and in between are Black people. The overall spread among races in Iowa is 25%. All of this comes from the state's data. Faith leaders across Des Moines Metro say they are tired of watching congregation members get seriously ill or die from COVID-19.
Local 5's Lakin McGee breaks down the numbers and how faith leaders are encouraging underserved populations to get the vaccine.
Yeah, so those leaders are launching a public awareness campaign. They're hoping to reach Black, Latino, Asian American, and other minority groups to get the vaccine because stats are showing us that they're not getting vaccinated. So here is this graph. It shows fully vaccinated people by their race. You can see the disparity of each race right there. So I want to go ahead and say that now that their goal, and they have all of this already put up, their ultimate goal is to get people fully vaccinated and to prevent serious illness and death due to the pandemic. Just off of School Street in Des Moines.
I just keep talking.
Bobretta and Letisa are inside the Corinthian Baptist Church discussing ways to get the congregation vaccinated against COVID-19. Bobretta's goal is to help others.
Last week I was talking to a very close friend of mine and I just happened to say, well, now we've got to get our boosters. And she said, I haven't even had one yet. I said, oh, we have to talk.
Letisa says she and the pastor are encouraging their churchgoers to get vaccinated.
You know, if their inner circle is not getting it, then they're just, well, my friends aren't doing it. You know, but in a family where people are getting the vaccine, you may see an increase of people getting the vaccine.
The top reasons the two are hearing of why people aren't getting vaccinated is fear-based. Fear of side effects, fear of it produced too quickly. Vaccine information from coronavirus.iowa.gov shows 45% of white people are fully vaccinated, while 24% of Black people are fully vaccinated. This is something Dr. Ravi Vamuri with Mercy One Des Moines says is a constant struggle.
So you yourself are actually having conversations with patients about, hey, if you're not vaccinated, here's why and here's what you should do?
Oh, every day. Hospital healthcare workforce is very diverse. So sometimes we try to employ those individuals to help in getting the message across.
Bobretta says she's seen many vaccines come out when new viruses arise.
I was here during the polio and all of that, and I'll tell you, the families just marched down to the health center and got children vaccinated.
What do you think
quickly.
is the difference today?
I think the difference today is that it's become a political football, and those of us that know better need to speak louder and be more encouraging.
Now, faith leaders say that they do plan on holding some clinics coming up in October, and they're doing this because they say now people in those neighborhoods that go to their congregation will not have the excuse to not go or that they just don't have a ride when it'll be right there in their backyard. But for now, reporting live in the studio, I'm Lakin McGee, Local 5 News, We're Iowa.
Very interesting story. All right, Lakin, thank you so much. Now, religious exemption is widely touted by those who don't want the vaccine nor want to wear masks. But some faith leaders take a different view, even penning op-eds and papers across the country. Bobretta agrees with those faith leaders.
You know, God also gave us the science. You know, all of these brilliant people that have worked through the process, people that have donated their bodies and time to be tested, and there's over 300 million people that have been vaccinated already, and they're doing fine.
As some central Iowa schools reinstate mask mandates, we asked districts for their data on those religious exemptions. Now, Urbandale Schools says they have approved at least 194 religious exemption requests. Des Moines Public is still gathering that data, and Ames won't give it because they say it is confidential information.